probably can hear that exhaust is way too quiet. So today we're going to do something about it. Yeah, as you guys clearly can hear, it sounds a lot better, and that is only with an easy and simple muffler delete. It seriously took me about 15 minutes to just chop it off. That's it. I am maybe going to build exhaust all the way out, not today, but now you hear how much potential 100 horsepower BMW has. Like, that fourbanger sounds awesome, and if you also heard, it had like a little pops and bangs after the rev limiter, really cool. So if I actually am going to take the exhaust all the way out, I actually maybe think that we can see some flames out of this exhaust. I don't know, I may have to remove the catalytic converter to do that, I don't know. But now I will show you some before and after so you can compare how much louder it is and how cool it sounds. if you did, please smash that like button and maybe also subscribe with notification. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already doing that, and also maybe on my Facebook page. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. At least I enjoyed this 15 minutes mod or upgrade and weight reduction, call it whatever you want. I enjoyed it a lot. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.